previously recorded. What's good, family? Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. What's up, y'all? Alright, today I'm about to get in here. Y'all already know on Fridays, if I got some fish, I'm frying me some fish, okay? So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to fry 2 pieces of swat cake, make some hoe cake hush puppy, and some french fries, and probably some tartar sauce. Maybe. I don't know. I might just want some hot sauce and mustard on my fish today because, you know, yeah. So, I think that's what I'm going to do, y'all. So, we're going to get started on mixing up this hoe cake hush puppy mix, y'all. And then we're going to move on to the rest. But let me wash my fish off real quick. Oh yeah, and I need to delete some stuff. So anyway, welcome to the family. If y'all is new, thank y'all for coming. I hope y'all enjoy this video. Mostly every Friday, just about, if I got some fish, I do a fish fry, okay? So don't get bored with me over here like, we done seen that already. Don't do me, okay? We love us fish. Me and my grandma both, we love us some fish. So that's what I'm about to cook us, all right, y'all? Alright, y'all, so to start off with the hush puppy hoe cakes, what you're going to need is some cornmeal, and I got this one right here, the buttermilk Martha White hot rice cornmeal. Use whatever kind that you like, it's up to you. So I'm gonna try to make enough to put enough in here just to make 2. Y'all know me and my measurements, child. Alright, so that's good right there. Then I'm gonna add some flour to that, and this flour that I got is just all-purpose flour. You'll be good to go with the all-purpose flour if you mix only a little bit in there. So I'm gonna put some all-purpose, child. That's gonna be more than 2. That's gonna be about 4. Okay, so then I'm gonna add some onion powder, or you can cut up you some fresh onion in there. That's normally what I do. I'm just being lazy. So I'm gonna put some, I barely got any in there, so I'm gonna put that little onion powder. And then I got some minced onion, so I'm gonna just go ahead on and put the little minced onion off up in there, like that right there. So then on top of that, well, I'm gonna put some salt and some pepper, y'all. I don't know why I put pepper, I just like pepper in it. Okay, so that's some pepper. Put some salt. And then I'm going to add a little sugar for the sweetness, y'all. If you don't like sweet bread, then don't put no sugar in there. But I like my bread sweet. I like it both ways, but I prefer it, you know, with a little sweetness to it. So I'm going to put some sugar. And you just, there's really no certain measurement, y'all. Just put like half a cup of flour, half a cup of cornmeal, and put as much sugar as you want to add. Put as much salt as you want to add, maybe like a little teaspoon. Put the pepper if you want to. The pepper ain't really gonna make a difference. Now your milk, I can't tell you because I ain't no measure, y'all. So just pour just a little bit at a time, right? Because you want the consistency. You want your consistency to be thick. So you got to add just a little bit at a time. That way you'll get it just right, okay? And you can use water if you ain't got milk. You can use buttermilk. However, whatever, it's up to you. And that's perfect right there, y'all. That's all the milk I need. And that was like maybe like half a cup of milk. Maybe half a cup, quarter cup probably, y'all. It wasn't much milk, I know that. Okay, so now we got all that mixed up, so that's my hush pupper mix. About to drop these fries. Let those get it going. Just a little fries like that right there. I need to strain my grease. It got some crumbs in there. No, I didn't just say strain, child. Strain my grease. Alright, so now I'm going to add me some oil to this pan. Just enough to cover the bottom. And we're going to fry our bread. We ain't gonna touch the fish. We're gonna let the fish just build up a crunch all over it and stuff. And then I'll flip it over when it do that. So yeah. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to start my hoe cake. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more milk to this. I said I was gonna add a little bit more milk because you see it done got too thick. Just sitting. And that's what it's gonna do when you let it sit like that. It's gonna thicken up. So it's okay to add just a little bit more milk to it to thin it back out. Like that right there. Yeah. Alright. Just gonna turn that down. I think I'm gonna fry about one at a time, y'all. And that grease got a little too hot. Honey, this bread is... Let me see if I can save it. Nope, don't look like it's savable. Maybe. So we're gonna let that go fry. Let that dough fry like that right there. And I'm about to flip my fish over. See, when you let it get crunchy enough, it's easier to flip it over. When it's soft, you have a hard time trying to turn it. I might can say this piece of bread. I might can say that we made it. Y'all ring the doorbell for me if you don't mind. If you don't know what the doorbell is, the doorbell is the thumbs up the like button. Hit it one time for your girl if you don't mind. I'm gonna take this piece of bread up here, and the next one gonna look better than that, y'all. So don't do me on the bread now, okay? Don't do me. Take that. Look, you gotta put it down on the ugly side. Put the ugly side down. Put the ugly side down. Alright, so we're going to do us another one. This gonna make by 4, y'all. I told you I just can't make no small amount of bread. I don't know how to do it, y'all. I be trying though. About to get ready to take this fish up over here in just a second. It's nice and crispy like I like it. Nice and crispy, crispy, crispy. I'm gonna let that fry just a tad bit more. Look at that bread. Ooh, child, honey. But you can most definitely like take this mix and do it in whatever kind of shape that you want to do it in. You can do it in hush puppies. You can do it like this. You can do it smaller than this. However you want to. It's up to you. You the one got to eat it. The shape ain't gonna change the taste. I promise you. Move these fries around. I need to clean my grease out. Got a little burnt crumbs down in the grease. It's alright though. Fry that bread up like that right there. I like that. Alright. Go ahead, take this here up. Turn it off. Ooh, let it drain. Look at that nice pretty fish. Look at that pretty fish. Y'all want some? Y'all done got into the rotation of Fish Fry Friday, y'all. Y'all done got in the habit. Gotta get in that habit of Fish Fry Friday now, God. Especially when you got you some fish in that freezer now. You know? Especially when you got you a piece or two, you got to cook you some fish, child. Ooh. Alright, so now I've got to finish up our bread. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Fries about done. And we about ready to eat. This our lunch for today, y'all. I don't know what dinner gonna be. Probably some tacos, y'all, because I still got the taste for some dang on tacos. I don't know why I be wanting me some tacos so bad, y'all. But I started making some yesterday, y'all. Sure did with that sausage meat. But I done took out some hamburger meat, y'all. Y'all think I'm playing? I done took out some hamburger meat to make some tacos. I don't know what's going on. I gotta go get me some chips, baby. Oh, I can't wait. I think that's what we're gonna have, y'all. I took the meat out, so we're gonna see. I know they probably about tired of me eating tacos, but they be so good. Uh-oh, I done put a little too much oil in them. That's alright. Alright. Let's get the last ones down in here and cook them on up. Child, these little hoe cake breads, y'all. If y'all family like fried cornbread, then your family will show love these. I'm telling you, my family, it don't matter if I make too many, because I'm telling you, it don't matter what we eating. If I got some fried bread in here, they gonna grab them a piece of this bread. I promise you. I promise you they is. Alright, so we're gonna let that there fry on up right there. I'm gonna take my fries up and I'll show y'all the ending. I got to strain my grease. It's full of crumbs too. For real. Alright. Put some seasoning on my fries. Child, honey, do y'all get excited when it's time to eat? I know y'all do. Ooh, child, especially when you're hungry. Put some seasoning on those. Like that right there. Alright.